It is also good that we don't get our cameras and put on our eye and start taking. Take a picture, look at it.
Cameras for Girls is a Canadian charity. We've been working in Uganda and Tanzania since 2018. What we do is we work with young women from 3 university partners, Makerere University, Uganda Christian University, and now our newest partner, Cavendish University. We recruit young women who are either in their last 2 years of university studies in the journalism and communications program, or they've graduated but can't find work. Why can't they find work? Because of gender-based barriers. So what we do is we provide them with a camera to keep. We give them a year-long program in photography, ethical storytelling, and vital business skills to help them become confident young women ready to take on the media industry.
I applied for this program last year, and by God's grace, we finally got selected with some other students at Cavendish and Makerere plus UCU. My inspiration came from seeing a colleague in my journalism class, Sir George Moses. When he used to do camera work, I used to see him doing it and it used to look cool. Then I spoke to him about it. He helped me through that journey of getting into photography, but my biggest challenge was manual work. So I applied for this program to learn more with manual.
You see how you're doing? You see this? That's how you picture a camera.
So far I have learned the ethical photography. I wasn't a newcomer with cameras, like I wasn't new to cameras, but I have had my eyes opened more. I learned how to do panning on the street, and that was like really exciting. And then also how to take pictures of moving objects and freeze them, so I really loved that.
So far we've been here for 3 days. Tomorrow we get to go to the field to put into practice what we've been learning. And we continue with training online, which will take a period of 1 year. And I want to thank Camera for Girls for the opportunity they give young ladies in the field, for the exposure and for the opportunities out there for them to be able to compete with their male counterparts.